Plants aren't just talking underground, they've been gossiping right above our heads, and we've been completely oblivious deep in the forest canopy, across fields, gardens, and even your potted basil plant. A hidden conversation is unfolding it through the famous Wide Web, but through something even more mysterious today. We're going beyond the roots into the aerial, invisible world of plant communication. Be the end of this video. I guarantee you'll look at your garden with brand new eyes, maybe even with a little suspicion. In Section 1, I am going to discuss volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, the scented messenger service. Number 1. Invisible whispers. Plants release chemical messages called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Think of them as plant text messages, but scented, airborne, and surprisingly specific. They float through the air, sometimes traveling meters, sometimes kilometers, carrying vital information for number to emergency broadcast systems when insects attack. A plant sends an alarm and nearby plants receive it, activate defenses, toughen their leaves, or even produce toxins before danger arrives. It's like your neighbor yelling, "Lock your doors, something's coming." And number 3 is sweet invitations, but VOCs aren't just for emergencies. Plants also use them to call for help, releasing scents that attract pollinators or summon predatory insects to eat their pests. Yes, plants are basically hiring assassins with perfume. Now we come to Section 2, symbiotic broadcasts, fungal and microbial airwaves. There are 3 of them. Number 1. Myco airwaves, the fungal boosters. Fungi don't just build networks underground. Recent research suggests they influence above-ground signaling too. They amplify plant communications, making messages stronger, faster, and more reliable. Number 2 is bacterial whispers. Airborne bacteria also act like tiny delivery drones, binding to chemical messages, altering them or extending how far they travel. The last is number 3. Why so much effort? Evolution's answer. Plants that communicate survive better. They avoid pests, attract allies, strengthen communities, and adapt faster in nature. Cooperation often beats competition, and plants figured that out long before we did. For this Section 3, plants have also electrical impulses and ultrasonic calls. They have 3 different kinds of it. Number 1, the fast-track signals. Plants also send electrical signals, fast, neuron-like impulses that tell other parts of the plant to react within seconds. They don't have brains, but they definitely have circuitry. Number 2 is the ultrasonic whisper network. Some studies reveal plants emit ultrasonic clicks when stressed, drought, injury, or disease. Can't hear them, but other plants might imagine a whole soundscape we never knew existed. Last is number 3. Are we decoding plant sentience? With electrical signals, airborne messages, microbial courier. Some scientists now refer to this as the plant internet. Is it sentience? Maybe not consciousness, but certainly communication, far richer than we ever imagined. Section 4 is the future. Why this matters. Number 1. Revolutionizing agriculture. Imagine crops that warn farmers of pests before the pests even land. Imagine greenhouses where plants literally tell us when they're thirsty. Number 2 is conservation power. Understanding plant communication can help us monitor forest health, restore damaged ecosystems, and prevent biodiversity collapse. Number 3 is a shift in perspective, and maybe, just maybe, it shifts how we think about the plant kingdom, not as silent, passive beings, but as active, responsive, collaborative networks. The ending is payoff. Tie back to the hook. So yes, plants are gossiping above our heads. They've been whispering, warning, flirting, and negotiating this entire time, and now we're finally learning to listen.